Good evening, brothers and sisters. I've got a little something to show y'all. Check this out. This is a very, very large signature of energy going on. Kind of looks like an eye, doesn't it? You got your pupil here, and the iris here. Looks just like an eye, doesn't it? So, and we can see we've got a reading of max of 75 decibels, which is completely off the chart. Okay, 70 is as high as it goes. Now, here's what I really want to show you. This is going to blow your mind a little bit. This is actually from my video. I actually had to do this from my video that I just previously posted. It's towards the end of the video. The reason I to make this one is because when I go right to windy, they took it off. The time on that, let's go back to the time. It shows down here, you can see 11:01 p.m. Okay, and then when I came back here, guess what? Go over here to 11:01. They cycled it up on me because I've actually had it here, and by the time my video posted and I came back to it, they took it off. It was gone. See, now look, it's not showing anything. So they bumped it up so it would disappear, which, dang it, which really stinks. But luckily, I saved the area. I still have it centered up on it. This thing will catch up for me. Here we go. Petropolis, something like that. So I actually started zooming in to kind of see what's going on. I'm wondering if they even moved me on that too. Oh, I bet you they did too. It almost seems like they did. Okay, yeah, they did. They moved me a little bit. It's actually right here. This area right here. Notice how there's this peak right here. 1,150. Yeah, they did, I think, because it's actually supposed to be showing 1,500. Oh, they did. They even moved me around on that. Oh, here we go. It's over here. Okay, it's right here. Pico del Cota, or I don't know how you say that. But this is the peak. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. You see this? I mean, you can see the topography, the geographical, the elevation. You've got a side here that comes up the side of a mountain, a side of or pyramid here, and another side over here. It's 3-sided pyramid. You can see the ridge here, and the ridge here. Yes, it is a pyramid. I was like, holy cow, that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, here we go. See, now you can see it a little bit more clearly. You got 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we saw the energy signature from it, right? So let's just go take a look at Google Maps and see what it says. Oh, look at this. 1, 2, 3. It is a 3-sided pyramid. That's right dead center of where that energy signature was coming from. Let's come back over here. And actually, excuse me. We'll come over here and we'll go max screen on this and we'll take a look again. Yep, it's right here. Right dead center of it. Boop. Man, I wish I'd have stinking got it earlier, but I didn't. So, lesson learned, I guess. I could have done it live so you guys could have seen it, appear. And the thing is the whole thing just appears and it's there for like maybe 11 minutes and then it's gone. 11 minutes. 1-1. Janos? Maybe. And this is our nitrous dioxide levels for the day. Los Angeles 60.35, 45.39 in San Jose. Let's go check out South America. And looks like our level to be where I guess most concerned about here for nitrous dioxide would be Rio de Janeiro. Didn't I just show something in Rio de Janeiro? Yes, I did. A 3-sided pyramid. How you doing? South Africa, we're looking at 41.55 near Pretoria for the high. For our family and friends down here, down under, just north of Sydney, we're looking at 37.16. We got Papua New Guinea area, Indonesian islands, Surabaya 45, Jakarta 43.89, Bangkok 88.66. Wuhan is showing 58.1, but the real number is 95.3. That's not good. Handan is 84.68. Shanghai is 56.46. Over here, New Delhi's high number, they're showing 91. I'm showing 115. just west of Doha, Saudi Arabia. Let's get a tap right there. 96, 97, yep, high numbers over there. Beirut is 44.95. Tehran is 48.87. London, you're looking at 31.47 for nitrous dioxide. Near Gloucestershire, we're looking at 26.08. Milan, let's check out Milan. Milan, you're looking around 47 nitrous dioxide meters cubed. Now we're looking at PM 2.5. North America and Canada, we're looking okay. Right here, just south of Florencia, 100 meters cubed of PM 2.5. Just to the east of Florencia, we're looking at 81. Woo, those are bad numbers. Our friends and family down here in the land down under, just southeast of Karatha, it's looking like 34 meters cubed for the highest. Southern Africa was okay, but Northern Africa, different story. Actually, this goes right along the middle belt. What is this? Abache, 95 meters cubed. This little region here right between Mali and Niger, we're looking at 125 meters cubed. We're getting 40 down here in Tamale. So yeah, this is a lot of it too. I mean, even the lower numbers of 35 isn't low. It's anything above 10 is a bad ordeal. This is really bad. Holy crap, let's get over here into Asia. Bangkok, you're looking at 94. And Bangkok has usually been right on target the last few times I've checked it, so I'm just going to trust their numbers. Wuhan, they're showing 124. Yeah, I'm showing 222 meters cubed. Even 124 is bad enough, but 222, that's horrendous. That is not good, folks. Let's check out right over here. 164, let's get it right into the middle of it. 182, yeah, this is not good. Lahore is showing 223. I'm almost willing to believe that. Lahore's pretty decent too about their numbers. Yep, they're pretty good. Lahore in Pakistan, 223 meters cubed of PM 2.5. But I think I'm about to find our record breaker. One I've never had get this. Look at that. I have never seen one that dark. I'm almost afraid to take a reading of it. Oh, let's see what place this is. Oh, drum roll, please. Oh my, 409. That is the highest I've ever seen PM 2.5. Look at that. This what? Where is this? I know this is Russia. Or no, it's China. Excuse me. Raukang County, 406. Wow. Oop, 420. Oh man, 428. 428 meters cubed of PM2.5. That's the highest I think I've ever seen it. Ever. I don't ever see them this dark like this. Oh, that's not good, man. That's not good, folks. Country of Algeria. We're looking at Biskra, shows 131. But just to the east of that, a little bit, showing 104 meters cubed of PM2.5. These are massive, massive numbers, folks. That's not good at all. Here's our numbers for Europe. We got 53 in Paris. London, you're at 16, so PM 2.5 isn't too bad. Italy, it looks like it's pretty raunchy over here. 72 meters cubed. Let's go check out our ozone. And these are levels in units, not necessarily meters cubed. But either way, it's not good. We want to try and be between 220 and 280. And yeah, we're not so much here. We're getting closer down here in Oklahoma City, around 300, but you get up here to North Dakota, Bismarck is 352, right up here about Minot, looking at 364, northern Michigan, and I literally mean not the UP, but northern lower peninsula. Mackinac Bridge, we're looking at 449, off the charts. Pierre Marquette's looking at 423, Sudbury 444, Toronto, you're looking at 380. Over here near Quebec, we're looking at 397. So, oof, ozone action day for you guys. Venture in here into northern Canada. Here's Hudson Bay. We're looking at 460, 459. Is that Severn? 460. Churchill, 457. These are off the charts, folks. It only goes to 400. This is definitely ozone action for you guys in northern Canada. Heck, it's even reaching you down here into lower Canada. Northern Alaska, everything north of the Onondaga Pass. Yeah, you're in ozone action. Look at this, 460 in Dead Horse, 474 in Barrow, 474. Woo, that's an astronomical number. And of course, we come over here to Russia, and they just have to try and one-up us with 186. That is the highest number I've seen in quite some time. Let's kind of split this difference, see if we get a higher number just for the giggles of it. Nope. 486 is it. Let's go check some others. Okay, if you guys happen to know anybody that's in Ukraine or Belarus, in the eastern part of the country, and actually in the middle of the Ukraine, we're off the charts. 400, 410, 421, 436, 437, 418. Definitely high numbers in this region here. So take caution, and you see which way the wind is blowing. It's going to blow this ozone right over this direction. So if you happen to be eastern Russia, or actually you'd be western Russia, it's going to be coming your direction. I wasn't really going to cover this, but here we go. As we know, the volcano in Tonga exploded. I mean, look at the site, look at the shock wave. You've seen it blow out. Look at it just blow out there. I mean, not just the ash, but the shock wave from it. That's major, people. Okay, so when you see that kind of stuff, there's something that you shouldn't be. I mean, this is mass. Look at the size of this. It's huge. And what did it do? We ended up getting a bunch of tsunamis with it, right? Bunch of tsunami warnings. Whatever you do, don't be these people. Okay, this is Mary Greeley's channel, okay? And you can see Tonga Geological Reserve. They're out here in the water, just watching it, taking photos, doing videos. Now, don't be them. Don't be out in the water, and definitely don't be these idiots. Watch this, okay? This is redonkulous. I want you guys to watch this and listen to it. I mean, these people are so retarded. Please don't be this. Don't do this. Hang on. So these people, look, they got life jackets on, and they're out at the beach. Okay? Now, look at this. They've got their phones, they got life jackets on, selfie sticks, and they're out here recording this. Like, look at him. He's like, oh, come get me. He's like, oh, I'm going to hold on to this little tree. Not. You're going to get swiped out. We might have just, right here, we might have just watched people die. And I wasn't going to do anything on this, but then when I saw this video, I was like, are you kidding me, people? Please don't do this. If you know stuff's coming, I mean, look, she's half smiling. Do you see her smiling? Why is she smiling? You could have got killed right there. Or, you know, get to higher ground. Be smart. Okay? I mean, I'm not going to do anything for a bunch of likes or a bunch of views. Why would I do that? You know, maybe they all got channels. Who knows? But, I mean, come on. It is not worth your life. It's not. It's redonkulous. Okay? So please don't be these people. Please take cover when stuff is happening. Please send out love and prayers for the people that have died from this horrible event. And remember that love is the only way forward.